Welcome to the NASCAR Subway Cup Series, Season 2. Season 2, Race 9 of 10. Here's the race info. Today's race will be 10 laps, and it will be held at where Race 6 was held, Swimming Pin Raceway. Last winner at the track was number 47, Rob Ruska. Now all finishing positions are drawn, and starting positions are based on points after race 7 starting lineup. Okay, now it goes right to left. So the right is person in head of the person on the left. Row 2, row 3. Now, SPR is the smallest track, but you can go 4 wide here. So you're going to see a lot of dangerous moves and a lot of bumping. May see some donuts on some cars, scrapes. And cars can drive here after taking hard hits. Row 8, row 9. Now this is not the Season 3, even though I had Season 3 signups a while ago. I only did that because last season it took like 2 weeks to fill every spot. So I was expecting it to take 2 weeks again. Took 24 hours. Row 13, you see a lot of the newcomers. Row 14, Jordan Peterson and Ryan Acosta. And row 15. Now these people were drawn, did not qualify, but everybody will qualify for the last race. Here we go for 10 laps. Green flag lap 1 of 10. There they go. 24 starts to pull away from the 1. Ooh! 43 and the 4 got into each other. See, now the 1 takes the lead. See the 43 and the 4 coming out of the pits. Oh, whoa. I know the 43 got around, but how'd this start? Here's a replay. Okay, see, he's getting lapped here. He doesn't want to go a lap down. There it is. The 4 hits him. It looks like the 42 hit the 34 and the 34 hit the 33. That's where that big crash back there started. You see the 99 and the rest of the field stopping. This is bad luck. All of those people are further up in points than everybody else. Cars out. 4, 43, 25, 42, 34, and 33. Here's the restart lap 4 of 10. There they go. The 99 making it 3 wide, but he waited till he passed the finish line. Where'd the 10 come from? See the 10 now making it 3 wide and above view. It looks like the 83 is going to go a lap down here. Oh, whoa. It's like the 5 got around. Replay. Let's see what happened here. I think he got around by himself. Oh, got a tap from the 47. Goes around. Another 2 wide there. Now 1 car can take up 2 wide. Slammed into the 5, and you see that fire there. And the debris. Now the 27 gets the lucky dog. The 5 and the 47 are able to drive away though. Green flag lap 8 of 10. See the 83 there is going to scoot up high to let the leaders by. See the exhaust pipe. The 10 and the 24 hit each other. You can see a donut on the side of the 10. Whoa! Now the 10 and the 47's around. Just complete chaos on the last lap. And the 99 beats the 10. Colin Delario wins. with complete chaos on the last 2 laps. Replay of the 47. The 5 got into him. Retaliation. I don't think that's the end of that. 47 doesn't have a car next year, so I think the 47's going to get retaliation. Here's a burnout. Okay, finishing positions plus points below. Colin Delario is 5th in points. Ryan Acosta, 25th, because he's a newcomer. Justin Perry is still in first after 2 wins. Tyler Chance is 20th. One of the newcomers, because the 17 didn't do very well before he got in it. The 14 is 13th. Jared Magoon is 20th. Tranker is 2nd, not too far behind Justin Perry. Bob Marshall is 10th. Brock Marshall is 19th. Jake Baskinger is 18th. Marcus Raccolo is 23rd. Newcomer. James Gilson is 21st. DJ Becker is 28th. Another newcomer. Halo Dude is 30th. Could be worse. Chase Emberson moved up a lot. He's in 14th now. Zach Buchanan is 24th. Jordan Peterson is 33rd. Newcomer. Ralph Mouth is 31st. Newcomer. Keith Marek is 34th. Tyler Oder is still 11th. 22nd. Rob Ruska is 12th in points. Chris Rickenball is 27th. He was a newcomer that came in on race 2. Gabe Bobby C DNF is in 6th. Now from 12th to 1st, you have a chance to win. Britt Dooley was 3rd. Levi Shones 9th. Martin Kelly 4th. A lot of people high up there are back here. Zach Austin is 8th. 47th. Dave Davis is... Oh my god, I'm messing up here. Did not qualify 30th through 34th. Don't forget to like on Facebook. By the way, should I do race 10 qualifying in stop motion and put it on YouTube? If so, don't forget to like and subscribe.